So VeChain has started pumping once again. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we are going to be talking about VeChain. I will show you my entire portfolio. I will share with you some very important news about VeChain. And at the end of this video, I will give you my price predictions, short term and long term for 2021. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe, because we're going to be talking a lot about VeChain and other awesome opportunity in the crypto space that could potentially make us a ton of money this year. So first, let's go inside of my portfolio so you can see exactly how much VeChain I am holding, and so you can see exactly how much money I have made with VeChain so far. So now we are inside of my Binance.US account. This is where I keep some of my altcoins. In particular, I keep Cardano and VeChain. And as of right now, this account is valued at $16,760. But this video is about VeChain, so we're going to talk about VeChain. So as of right now, I have 156,977 VeChain. I ended up buying VeChain on January 4th and January 5th. I invested a total of $4,000 into VeChain. And as of right now, my $4,000 has turned into $5,211, which is not a bad return in 2 weeks. But I will definitely be buying more VeChain. My goal is to eventually end up owning 1 million VeChain. That is my ultimate goal, and I will be adding to this position. Also, if you are interested in purchasing VeChain, check out the Binance.US link in the description box below. I firmly believe in VeChain, and I think over time, this is going to turn out to be one of the best investments that I have made. I will definitely be adding to my position and holding long term. VeChain, in my opinion, has the potential to make a lot of people filthy rich. And right now the price of VeChain is just under 4 cents. So it is super easy to stack up and get a real big bag of VeChain. But once we start skyrocketing, man, 4 cents will be left in the dust. We're going to see record highs for VeChain pretty soon. But now let's talk about some very important news that could potentially drive the price of VeChain all the way up. Bluegate announces VeChain integration with Madini Africa. The Madini decentralized marketplace has been integrated with VeChain. Developed in Kenya by Bluegate Business Solutions, Madini has been created to be the marketplace that offers the best for all the African industries, from refineries to traders to miners to retailers. Madini's platform allows users to buy, sell, and offer services related to mining industry in Africa. Madini's market also aims to build a transparent supply chain. This will increase trust and build stability in the African mineral industry. VeChain drives innovation in the African mining industry. Bluegate has chosen VeChain to integrate it with its mineral market because of its hybrid features that make it adaptable, accessible, and oriented to solving real-world economic use cases. This is extremely important. A lot of cryptocurrencies, they claim to be useful, but it is very difficult to use them in real life. VeChain is breaking through, and in my opinion, this is going to be one of the key benefits for VeChain's expansion worldwide. They are already humongous in China. Also, they are working with Walmart China to track products from creation to the end user, which is absolutely amazing. And they are testing this process as we speak. If it's successful, they might use VeChain for the entire Walmart supply chain, which will be insane. And this will cause VeChain to hit all-time highs over and over and over again, which in process will make a ton of people filthy rich. Another news article that I like to share with you guys, this one can be a game changer for VeChain. VeChain introduces fee delegation as a service, enabling seamless mass adoption of dApps and creating new business opportunities. This right here is extremely important. Using the fee delegation service, companies will be able to adopt VeChain and make the entire user experience super easy. For example, this technology can be integrated into gaming apps. We all know in gaming apps, you can buy hats, you can buy skins, you can buy coins, all type of stuff. And it's super easy. All you have to do is link your account and then purchase these products. You can sell them, all that stuff without paying any fees. But the major issue with cryptocurrencies, if coins are used to make these purchases, then there's going to be fees, there's going to be transaction costs, which will make the end user experience extremely difficult. But with VeChain fee delegations, companies can use that as a service so the end user does not experience any problems. It will be way faster and they will not have to pay any gas fees whatsoever when making these transactions on the video game. But the company that uses this service, they can pay the fees for their users behind the scenes without them ever knowing and make the entire process super simple. We all know for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies, if they want to be adopted in the masses, they have to be simplified. They have to be made super easy so the masses can use these products. We are seeing how high gas fees are affecting Ethereum. It is very difficult to send Ethereum from one user to the other without paying a boatload of money in fees. Lately, if you want to send $200, $300 in Ethereum, it will cost you close to $100 just to send it. No person in their right mind is going to create an app using this system or any other coin, for example. But VeChain is trying to eliminate this entire fee process for the end user, which will make adoption way easier. And now for the great finale, let's make some predictions. Guys, these are just my personal opinions. Do not take this as financial advice. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile and extremely risky. You can lose your entire investment that you invest in these cryptocurrencies. So do your own research, be cautious, and only invest what you are willing to lose. And now let's go to CoinMarketCap. If we scroll down, we will see that VeChain is number 20. Last week it fell to the 25th spot, but now we are coming back up. We have regained the 20th spot on CoinMarketCap. And if you look at the last 7 days, we are up over 31% on VeChain, which is absolutely amazing. The last 24 hours, we are up over 12%. In my opinion, this is just the start. And in the next couple months, you're going to see VeChain go from top 20 to possibly top 10 on CoinMarketCap. And when we look at the chart, you will see that we are hitting all-time highs. I am predicting in the next couple of weeks, VeChain will be over 4 cents. Also, in the next couple months, I am seeing VeChain price be around 20 cents. And for my 2021 prediction on VeChain, I am predicting we are going to hit anywhere between $2 and $4 per coin. I know a lot of people watching this video are like, yo, that is insane. $2 to $4, if it happens, we're going to be filthy rich. Just watch how fast VeChain is improving their technology and expanding globally. They're expanding in China, now in Africa, the United States. They are touching all major continents of the world, and they are expanding super fast. VeChain is getting mass adoption simply because they solve real world problems. And if you can solve a problem, you're going to be successful. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on VeChain. Do you own VeChain? Will you be buying it? Will you be selling it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, check out the links in the description box below for some free cryptocurrency. Also check out that BlockFi link if you want to make some passive income. And as always, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.